Everyone wonders when the coronavirus pandemic will end. The truth is that it may not end until we have a vaccine. The good news is that there are more than 40 vaccine projects in progress. The bad news is that it may take 12 to 18 months or more to deliver a vaccine to the market. This is much longer than what you would like, but it's much faster than the 5, 10, or even 20 years that many vaccines take. 1. How is the vaccine produced for the virus? Usually this takes 3 years but may be cut off by 8 months. The third and final stage sometimes includes thousands of participants. This is when we determine the correct dose and identify potential side effects. It usually takes a few more years, but it can be combined with the second stage to save time. Moderna, the U.S. biotechnology company, runs animal experiments as well as human trials of the coronavirus vaccine. And in mid-April a team at the University of Oxford began its own human trials of a vaccine. If the vaccine removes those obstacles, the regulators will examine the data and decide to agree. 2. This may take years, but in this case, the organizers are ready to act more quickly. You can find our vaccine, we need to make a lot of it. Most influenza vaccines are grown over a 6-month period in chicken eggs once per egg. In fact, the US government has a secret hiding place for chickens in case they need to quickly manufacture many flu vaccines. But this new coronavirus might not reproduce inside the eggs, so we need to find another way. Because mRNA vaccines are left to our bodies to produce viral proteins and synthesis must be faster, but this was not done before. 3. The Bill Gates Foundation is funding factories for 7 candidate vaccines, saying it is worth spending billions now to be ready to start production even if only one succeeds. Then there is packaging and storage. The Ebola vaccine should be stored at -80 degrees Celsius or cooler. 4. The containers are powered by jet fuel. This is what medical teams are launching vaccinations, but we have never had to vaccinate the entire world at once. Regardless of these heroic efforts, we are not likely to see a vaccine before 2021. 5. This may force us to continue a form of social separation if the coronavirus epidemic continues. Perhaps life will not return to normal for another year or more. Meanwhile, we will only have to be patient and keep washing our hands.